Hello and welcome here to our YouTube channel. In today's video from the Photoshop series, we are going to see a very nice trick that will be very creative, and you will have some inspiration to use it in your next project. We'll see how to draw with words. Simply, we are going to start writing T for Tipo. You can select any of your writings. I prefer to select this American script for my first letter. I will draw with the L word, so I like the L from this letter. Okay, and then I'm going to go to another font. So you can do writing with multiple fonts. I use the Bradley handwriting. So love. Okay, and I need this first letter. I need to increase it. For example, I will give it a 1 here. Okay. So I like this writing for the word love, for example. So Control Enter, and then I'll make selection for this word. I'll increase it, the view, so I can see it better. And then I'll make a selection. Okay, so whatever is not perfectly selected, I can reselect it again. Okay, maybe it is too fine, so I will go to the magic selection tool. You can choose the magic wand tool or the quick selection tool. I'll use the quick selection tool. Okay, you can see that the complete love is selected. So now this selection, I will go to edit, and then I will define a brush preset. I will call it love. Okay, now I'm going to use the brush tool, so F7. Now I will go to the background, Control D to say deselect it. Now you can see that you have the love brush. It's going to paint with the foreground color, which is the black one, and the size is 195. So if I make Control 0, I will zoom in. You can change the size of your brush. You can make it smaller, like this one, for example. Okay, if you now go to right, you can't see any love in this. Okay, that's nice, but okay. So Control Z. I will go to the brush settings, and then I will increase the spacing between the love. So now you can go draw freely, and you can see that the love is repeated. Control Z. Now if you like to draw a shape using it, you can draw a nice heart. Okay, using the word love, you can freely draw with it as you like. One trick, if you like Control Z, I'll make a new one. If I click once here, and if I go down straight back down, and I click Shift and click again, it will be filled as a straight line with the love word. Another nice trick is you can change the angle of drawing. So you can change this, for example, to 90, and then you can see that you can draw with love in a vertical direction. You can change it to any angle in between. It will be up to you. For 60, for example, you can see that you are drawing with it to an angle. Another nice trick that you can simply change the color of the brush by changing the foreground color. You change the foreground color simply from here. So we can select this blue color, for example. Okay, at the foreground color, and we can select the background color, for example, as this yellow color. Okay, and then we brush again, love. You can see that it's mainly following the foreground color, not the background color. Changing them, you can use the background color to draw freely as you like. I hope this nice trick will help you to make innovative ideas in your coming projects. See you in the coming videos. join the channel, subscribe, and follow our blog. You will find the link in the description box below. And on the blog, we write details about our projects and how to make this in clear steps. Thank you for following so far. See you in the coming video. We will see a very great trick with drawing with words.